Good morning all of you. I am Rajya Pathan from Nandini Vidyapit Standard 4th. So students, today we'll start unit number 1. In that unit we'll start worksheet number 22 and 23 is there. In that unit we'll start that addition word problem is there. But before starting addition word problems, I'll show you one video according that how we'll solve the word problem, how we'll solve the addition word problem. That I'll show you. So in we'll solve the word problems, we'll use the narrow strategy, either then we'll use a narrows method. So this video regarding that only, so I'll show you that video and also in between I'll explain you. Now look at this video everyone.
Narrow strategy to solve addition word problems. Hello students, meet Sunil. Sunil and his mother have come to visit a book fair. There were 2,65,392 people on the first day of the book fair and 5,09,106 people on the second day. How many people came in all on both days? Let's solve this word problem.
Okay students, so here is a one book fair is there. So Sunil and his mothers, सुनील और उसकी मम्मा बुक फेयर में आई, ठीक है. सो बुक फेयर में फर्स्ट डे में कितने पीपल्स हैं? 2,65,392 पीपल्स आर देयर. एंड द सेकेंड डे दैट मीन्स दूसरे डे में 5,09,166 पीपल्स आर देयर. सो बोथ द डे how many peoples come in all on the both day that we have to find. मतलब दोनों days में कितने peoples हैं that we have to find. So we'll use here narrows method and we'll do the addition that now we have to see here.
Do you recall which strategy we used to solve such word problems? Yes, in class 3 we learnt about narrows strategy. Can we use narrows to solve this word problem? Let's find out. In narrows, N stands for numbers and keywords. Now, where should we look for these numbers and keywords? They are present in the question itself.
Okay. Now first of all we have to find N. Narrows का meaning भी हमारे पास है. What was the meaning of the N? And that means numbers and keywords are there. And that means numbers and keywords are there. So where we find the numbers and keywords in the question. हमें numbers and keywords से वो कहाँ से मिलेंगे? In the question. So now look at here. 2,65,392 is there, and 5,09,106 is there. So this one is a numbers, and first day and second day that one is the keywords. Okay.
We see that there are two numbers. 2,65,392 and 5,09,106. And there is a keyword. In all. Next, we have A, which stands for asked. So, what is asked in the question?
Okay. क्वेश्चंस में A that means ask. क्वेश्चन में हमें क्या पूछा है, ठीक है. So let's see.
The question is, how many people came in all on both days? Then we have.
Now see, question क्या है? How many people came in all both the day? That means दोनों days में कितने peoples आए, that we have to find it.
D, that stands for draw. Do you know why we draw? We draw to understand the question more easily.
Okay. D that means draw. Why we have to draw here? Because of the understand the question easily. हमें question है वो easily समझ में आए. That's the reason we have to draw here like that. 2,65,392, 5,09,106 in all. Like that we have to draw it.
Then comes O. O stands for operations. This is the part that helps us know which operation is required to solve the problem. Let's check which operation we will be using to solve this word problem. For this, let's check the keyword. Here we have in all. We have learnt about keywords. Do you remember in all is used for which operation? Yes, it is used for addition. So, we will add here.
Okay. O, that means operation. There are the 4 operation: addition, subtraction and multiplication is there. But here which operation will use? So how we find that? So we have to check the keywords. Keywords is in all. So when we in all is there, so at the time we'll use the addition. Okay.
Lastly, we have S, which stands for solving the problem based on the operation.
Okay. S, that means solve. Solve the word problem using the operation. Operation में जो है उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही हमें उसको सॉल्व करना है. ठीक है.
So, we add 2,65,392 to 5,09,106. Start adding the digits from ones place. We get 8, 9, 4, 14. Since there are 2 digits, we write 4 here and carry over 1 to the left. What type of addition is this? Correct. It is addition with regrouping or addition with carryover. Next, we get 7. 7. Therefore, 7,74,498 people came in all on both the days. This is how we solve the problem using Nado's strategy. So students, you can now use Nado's strategy to solve problems even if the operation is not mentioned. Can you quickly recall the full? This is
Okay, students. So now, when we add the both the day, we'll get the answer 7,74,498 is there. Okay. So 7,74,498 people came in all on both the day. Now students, I'll give you one means you have to write this in your maths notebook. Your time start now, students. After that we have to recall all the things. Okay, students, I hope your work is complete. Now we
how
recall
we
this.
solve the problem using Nado's strategy. So students, you can now use Nado's strategy to solve problems even if the operation is not mentioned. Can you quickly recall the full form of Nado's? Yes, it is numbers and keywords, asked, draw, operation, and then solve. Happy learning!
Okay, students, so now we'll start addition word problem worksheet number 23. So, addition word problem, solve the following questions in your notebook. So, we have to solve this word problems in our notebook now. Answer now. Question number 1 is the population of the country in 1990 was 19 crore 65 lakhs 600, and the next year increased by 9 lakhs 88 9 crore 88 lakhs 9,700. What was the population of the countries in year 1991 is there? So we have to use Nado's method and we'll get the answer. So here we have to write standard 4th, subject maths, worksheet number 23, unit number 1 is set. Now we have to write the heading here. That heading is addition word problem. What was this there? Addition word problems. Addition word problems is there. Now we have to write here step 1. We'll use Nado's method. So we have to find the numbers and keywords. So numbers is 19 crores 65 lakhs 15,600 is there. Okay. Then second one number is 9 crore 88 lakhs 97,000 is there. Then now keywords are what was the population of the country in the year 1991 is there. Now step 2. Step 2 is ask. What they are asking? They are asking what was the population of that country in the year 1991. Step 3, row is there. So we have to write here then step number 4 is operation. So we use here addition. Step number 5 is solution is so we have to do the addition here. So we have to draw place value box. Then we have to write here ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Then we have to write here lakhs, 10 lakhs, and crores are there. And here we have write 10 crores. Then we have to write like that. We have to here write here addition sign. 0 as it is, 0, 8 is as it is, 6 plus 7, 13 is there, 1 is a carryover, 9 plus 1, 10 is there, we have to write here 0, 1 is a carryover, 5 plus 6, 5 plus 1, 6 is there, 6 plus 8, 6, then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have to write here 4, 1 is carryover, then 5 plus 1, 6 is there, 5 plus 1, 6 is there, 6 plus 8, 6 plus 8 is there, 14 is there, so we have to write here 4, 1 is a carryover, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 9, 7, then 9, 10, 11, 12, 30, 40, 50, 60, 16 is there, we have to write here 6, 1 is a carryover, 1 as it is, and we have to write here 9. Okay, we have to write here 9. Now students will get the answer. 91 crore 64 lakhs 14,300. Answer is 91 crore 64 lakhs 14,300 is there. Now I'll give you 1 minute. You have to write this. You have to write the step number first, second and third. Okay students, now I'll show you step number 5 is there. Okay students, I hope so work is complete. Now we'll start next sum. So Adarsh brought two houses for, first one is 1 crore 66 lakhs 8,000. Second one 2 crore 45,000 45 lakhs 4,000. How much did we spend in all? So we have to use the Nado's method. Here we have to write, we will use step number 1, numbers and keywords are there. So in that, numbers are rupees 1,66,000 66 lakhs 800 are there, and 2 lakhs 2 crores 45,000 5 lakhs 4,000 is there, and keywords is in all is there. This one is a keywords. Then step number 2, ask what they are asked, how much did he spend in all. Then step number 3, row is there, so we have to write here 1,66,800 8,000 plus 2 crore 45 lakhs 4,000, and they have to write here in all. Now step number 4, operation. Which operation we'll use here? We'll use addition. And step number 5 is solution is there, so we have to draw place value box. We have to draw the place value box. We have to write here ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores are there. Then we have to write here 1,66,000. Sorry. And here we have to write and we have to put here plus sign is here. 0 as it is, 0 as it is, 0 as it is. 8 plus 4, 12 is there. 1 is a carryover. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 12 is there. 1 is a carryover. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. We have to write here 1. 1 is a carryover. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4 is there. So answer is 41 lakhs 22,000 is there. Now students, I'll give you 2 minutes. You have to complete your work. First of all, you have to look at this 4 steps. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now I'll show you step number 4th and 5th. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 23. In that worksheet today we have completed 2 sums, and you have to write the sum number C, D, E and F. That one is your homework. You have to write these sums in your maths notebook. Follow the Nado's method, and you have to write the answers. So that one is your homework. You have to complete your homework and send it to me, your homework, before 3 o'clock in a WhatsApp group. I hope so students your work is complete. Bye everyone. Have a nice day.